not getting.
Even if she flips over, she'll be fine.
I know where she is.
She can't get out of that.
I'm going underneath her, so I know where she is.
Yeah, you guys are on video, so cool it. Ah!
Oh, I got mommy!
Look at Grandpop. Look at Grandpop. Watch the splashing.
Mommy's gonna lay down.
You want me to put you up there?
I can climb up.
You gotta get off the steps is really. Okay, Lily and Daddy, turn around. Let me snap a picture.
Look at Grandpa. He's taking your picture.
Snap. Boop.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Look at Grandpa. Lily, look at Grandpa.
Cheese. That's a pic. That's a part of the video that would be cool. That's the posting one.